Today I'm going to do an origami bird. Possibly. We'll see. It says to start with a square piece of paper, so I'm using this. Recycling. And then you're supposed to fold up and then fold this way. After you diagonal fold it, you're supposed to hot dog fold it. They should really give the directions that way, they'd be so much easier. Just triangle fold, and then hot dog fold. Then you pinch in the sides to form a smaller square, which at first makes no sense, but there's a picture. You do this, and then you do this, and then you fold this. I think. Unless I did that wrong. Yeah. Looking pretty legit so far. We've got this kite looking thing. And then what do we do? Can't wait to find out. Okay, now we're here, and I'm really surprised I haven't crumpled it up and thrown it away already. So, fuck you. Look at this shit. We're getting there. It's supposed to move. I think I fucked it up. Oh. I think this part is supposed to be up here. Oh well. See you next Tuesday. Bye.